Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the recents. You can do it just by pressing this button with 3 bars icon. It will immediately open the recents. And if you've got also the gesture navigation applied, you can swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here to open the recents, something like that. And as you can see, we've got the recents again. So if you want to, you can close them one by one manually just by swiping them up. But if you've got a lot of apps open, I simply highly recommend to tap on close all, thanks to which your device will close all of opened apps. We can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.